Hey guys, welcome back. Today we'll be finally making these mini garlands. Let's jump right into it. I'm using my Legenda to inflate the balloons. I just started using this probably about a month now. I love it so far. And I use it on 0.2 if you do have a Legenda, and I hold it 3 times. That pretty much equate to using a hand pump and pumping it 1 time. It gets you about a 3.5 size balloon, and that's how I do my regular balloons as well. And also a good tip is I like to make sure the neck is pulled all the way down so the air only goes to the very top. Same thing with the hand pump. I like to make sure that the balloon neck is all the way down on the like the nozzle of the hand pump, and then that way the air only goes to the very top, and it kind of stretches the balloon out and it doesn't leave any kind of space gap or anything else. So I inflate 2 at a time. I was using 50 because I'm using two 260 balloons to make this, but I had a little bit extra in one pack, so I think it was like 6 balloons or something. So it ended up being 56 balloons altogether. And I think I actually ended up using 54. But the other ones that I end up using for the design, they all was each made out of 50 balloons, like long clusters. So I used two 260s to tie together, and I'm going to tie it to one balloon. I like to move my necks out the way just so I'm not like trying to tie around them. And that's how that look. And now I'm going to wrap the 260 just so I'm making sure I'm stretching it out as much as possible. I'm going to overlap that next dupe of balloons in the opposite way, and I'm using the figure 8 method to go around. So you go around one balloon, the new balloon, then down to the old balloon, and then back up. So you figure 8 the method, going down and around, and I'm just doing it all the way through. I'm just rotating the balloons back and forth. And this is how you make the mini garlands, you guys. Sorry for the long wait for this video. It was highly requested, but I also don't use it for every setup. I feel like it all depends on my style for that particular setup or for when I'm going to use it. I don't use it for every setup, but this is how everything turned out. Please stay tuned for the next video where you guys can see me set up with them. Altogether for this look, I used 300, probably a little over like 306 or something, gold balloons. So they come, the number pretty much shoot up there with these little balloons pretty quickly, because one long one make 50 balloons. So if you want to use a lot, you have to get definitely in the hundreds. But thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoy. See you in the next one. Bye.